been that way every time I've come up here. The last 2 or 3 trips. Should be today. See how I made that in that bank? That's where you want it. Dude, they're like sitting under, like the undercut or something. Big old carp. Yeah. Right there. Boom. There it was.
Got one.
Good one too.
Heck yeah.
Oh, huge. Giant. Really big one.
Heck yes. Dang, did you see that other one? Oh, dang, that's a good one.
I am recording. Nope.
Stupid.
Well, I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but come here, buddy. Pretty good one.
God, their print is so cool looking.
This camera keeps turning off for some reason. And it was right up in that bank too.
Oh, that's awesome.
Not too shabby.
Your measuring sticks.
You got one?
Yeah, there's a blue, a red one.
Right
Hell
here.
yeah. Let's see where she goes.
Didn't,
Bigger than this. Yeah.
Is what's it called on here too?
That's probably a 20-incher because it's 2 inches past the 18 scale.
I don't know if you want to do it.
Ah, it's fine. She's skinny. See how skinny it is?
Hang on, let's see.
Not real big, but she's long though. It's probably
How do
20.
you know if it's a female or a male?
Ah, I have no idea. I don't know.
I'm trying to know their life story.
Here, Corey. Tell if that's a female or a male. All right, guys. Number one, I don't think y'all saw it, but this camera don't want to stay running, but probably close to a 20. Right in that bank, Corey, like I'm talking about in it.
This thing doesn't get right on top of the water very well. Right here, look. You see the skull and crossbone waypoint?
Oh, you
There's
didn't
another
mark
one.
out?
I just did. Yeah, we can try to hit this bank. Like, I don't know. You tell me, man. What looks good to you? We can go on up to these trees.
I go up a little further. Okay. Looks a little bit. And it looks a little cleaner too. See how that's piled up right there? That's gonna be hard to throw at buzzbait. Just watch them can openers.
I got a mark.
Oh God! Oh! I may try a fluke out just a little bit and see what happens. Yeah, that's why I picked up this damn fluke to get it through this stuff a lot easier. That's the only thing about this place, man, is this grass will freaking annoy the hell out of you.
If it'll go down and stay down for a little while, we'll bring it back in.
Oh, there's 2 of them. 3 of them. See if they'll eat this. They've already seen us though. Come on.
You can spook them and then throw it right back in front of them. They'll hit it.
Yeah. I felt him. I couldn't see him, but I felt him hit it, so I just went, whoop, set the hook on him. Fluke, guys. You can kind of let it just hover in front of them or just pop it real fast. And... Hey, bud. Oh, gosh. Calm down, sir. Little one. Damn, that was a big one a minute ago, Corey. I'd like to one of us to drop that.
Anybody want a snack? I got bananas.
Y'all know bananas on the boat's bad luck, right?
What? Well, listen, I brought 3. Bad luck for each one of us.
That's what they say.
Is that really what they say?
I swear to God.
I bring
Look
one
it up.
every time.
Oh, Corey's got one.
You got one?
He's so quiet.
Look at it.
First one, though.
Heck yeah. Yeah, bud.
Man, it never lets me down.
Babe, you want some? You want a little bit of cheese, a little bit of beef stick? Anybody else? No? Josh, is it less bad luck if I don't eat the banana?
It's funny because people like, if you watch these like guys that film that fish these big bass tournaments,
Yeah.
like they'll play tricks on each other and go stick like a banana in the other
Are
guy's
you
boat.
serious? That's funny.
Yeah.
Well, I willingly brought them.
It ain't been too bad so far. We've probably caught a 20 and a couple other little ones. So.
Yeah. Lives on Cherokee.
Mm-hmm.
I was talking to him, and he said they throw them the chartreuse colored. What were they catching on those, bud?
Walleye.
Walleye. That's what it was.
Oh, I got a fish on.
You
Yes.
sure do.
Awesome.
I was like, damn, I got some more fucking grass. Dude, come on, buddy. Come on, don't break my little 3-pound line.
Dude, they love it. That's the thing about the smallmouth, dude. They love that small stuff too.
I know on the ultralight, it's so much fun to catch them. Because even though they may be small, they feel.
I want to see you catch one of those big 3 or 4 pounders on that thing. That'd be awesome, dude. That'd be awesome.
It'll take all day. That's why I got my drag set so low on this thing. As long as I get to the remote and shut the little solar motor controller off in time.
Yeah, that feels like a pretty. Oh, he's in the grass or something. Can you trail me over there? Or what am I on? Or I bet he's come off.
Shit, I got one on.
Oh, he's still on there. We both got. God, there's a giant. Oh,
We ain't got a net.
Claire, if you threw in there.
We're double hooked, Josh.
Yeah, and there's a giant like that was right behind yours. Oh, mine finally come free. Little guy.
I was eating a banana. Y'all got one.
Hey, yep.
We got onto him right here. Oh, dude, I can't get this dude in.
We debunked it.
The bananas are not bad luck.
The Lord said.
It's bad luck till I get this trolling motor and he spools me.
We had a Corey. You had a big one going after that.
Oh,
That's a good one. I'm gonna have to get a net. He's gonna break me. I can't get him out.
we don't have a net.
I'll grab it. Don't grab the line. He'll
I'm
break
trying
the
to
line.
grab his lip. Come here.
Grab it.
I'm trying.
Oh shit.
Don't hold the line. Yeah.
Hey, right here, bud. Fish bump.
Yep.
Kaboom. Oh, sorry.
That's
Hey, heck yeah.
Should've cheered.
Was that on the ultralight too? Heck yeah.
that felt like a whopper, dude.
God, mine got in the grass, dude, and it was like not moving.
Y'all some spot water. Work here.
Hell yeah.
Stop drinking.
Buddy, this right here's freedom.
Yeah.
Cruising up the river, just man.
See that? Shit. Hang on, shelf right here, big one.
Oh my God. Wow.
It don't feel right, does it?
Hell no. It never does. That was like a gazillion carp.
Gotta go over the beach.
Smallmouth. Dude, it's so cool just looking down and seeing this crystal clear water like that.
This right here is what I caught. This really small one.
Yep.
That one?
Not no more. It's all right though. Oh, I have one. Got one?
Did you?
Or just about wearing them out with that little Guggen paddle tail. I had a little one on.
I'm in the nursery. You know what that means?
Oh, Claire, you got one on you, a little bitty one. Oh, he stopped. It's definitely cool seeing him.
How many times can I do that?
Oh,
What was that?
Corey can't keep them off.
Oh, man.
Good.
Oh, God.
Working on him.
I knew that little paddle tail would freaking
Yeah.
start
We
busting.
got on like that, Josh.
Oh, I got a little bite. Oh, got one, got one. Come on, come on.
Yeah.
Stay on, stay on.
You need to crank that drag
Are
up.
we serious right now?
Crank that drag up.
Oh, look at him. He's the littlest little fella. Here, buddy.
hell, he come back and got it. No, he didn't.
I'm sorry. I'm trying. There we go. I'm so saucy. Thank you.
Oh. Knock his brains out.
Yeah, he wasn't dead, but
He got blood on the boat.
he is now. You almost made it, buddy.
Look at the
You were
splatter on the
close.
boat. There's blood splattered. Corey was that kid that got his mom pulled over by a cop for flipping the cop off in the back seat.
Yeah, there's a fish on that damn thing. No, I'm hung up. Oh, that's
No, you're fish. You got a good, decent fish too. Yeah. Oh yeah, your best one for the day, I think. I
He's
can't
swimming
tell.
right towards us.
I don't see it. Oh,
Go over there, you
yes.
might catch the one with it, Claire.
Look, kick
Okay,
it.
throw over there. Throw over there.
Oh, I'm trying. Y'all, I can't get.
Not a bad one, Corey.
I'm finding the next one. We gotta get a net. So this is like
Dang, he was good.
this is like 2-pound trout thing. That,
Oh no.
it's for bluegill and such. That's my second best.
Is it? Okay.
I don't know.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
See you when I free you. Damn! I just ate a big ass bug. I might as well go and swallow it. Yeah, it looks really shallow right there. God, I don't want to get through out. That's the ground right there, Corey. Well, at least we know now, like, we're gonna wreck the ground. Look, look, look. Well, we ramped the rocks.
We really did. That was fun.
That was cool.
It's like sledding. Let me get us
I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this actually looks like good fishing right through here.
Yeah.
You see how it's just like the right depth and there's not a lot of grass? There could be fish through here.
Yeah.
I mean, it was exciting because we made it through it.
Right.
You said, Corey, that's the ground. We'll split them. There's a shoal here, though. I can't tell that.
Do I have a fish on? Oh, no, he come off. No. Or is he on? Oh, he's on. The fluke. He was coming towards me. I was like, oh, he come off. No, he's coming towards me.
That's what that one did to me earlier.
Come on up here, buddy. Heck yeah, dude. Thanks. Dude, the hook's not even through his lip. There we go, guys. Oh, God.
Oh,
Dude, oh yeah, let's definitely refloat that again. That was a freaking cool.
He got it. He took it.
Did you get it?
Please.
Oh yeah.
Yay. He's a little guy.
Hey, that's not a bad one.
Come here, buddy.
Bigger than what I
Heck yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, I got one too. Oh my lord.
Heck yeah.
I got a giant.
Dude, you see the big one chasing?
Yeah, I got a giant, y'all.
Heck yes.
Let me cast out there beside you.
If this ain't a big fish, I don't know.
He's at least 18 inches.
No, he's, God, dude, that's a giant, y'all.
Oh my God, dude.
Where?
That's a giant. That is a giant. Where is he? I can't even control him.
Where did he go?
He's under the boat.
Oh, heck yeah.
You got one? Oh, I thought I heard one.
Come on, buddy.
Can you grab it? Or you want to
Did he choke it? If you want to grab me, Corey. He might have choked it. I hope he didn't choke it. Oh, he got it down there good. That's a good fish, dude. It's not as big as the first one, though.
That is a big fish,
Dang,
though.
that's awesome.
We'll measure him. God, he did choke it.
Pretty.
Where's those pliers?
I want to get a picture. Pliers, coming.
Yeah, let me see if I can get this out really quick.
There was two, though.
I saw it. I saw it. Dude, this is a really good stretch, you guys.
We got to go back and float it.
Oh, dude, that's a good looking fish.
That's not, let's see how long he is. I'm going to dip him in the water.
Crazy.
Grab that.
Now, where's that?
I'll sit it back.
Where is
I
it?
leaned it back on you.
That fish fought so hard. He's probably going to be up there.
Yeah.
He's 20, right?
No.
18? Or
18 inches, like
Yep.
on the dot.
Dang.
Hey, we hand me another jig head?
Yeah.
18 incher. Oh, he's bleeding. All right, I'm gonna get him back in the water, guys.
What color did you, or which one, maybe?
Oh, come on, don't do that. Don't you do that. There you go. Come on. Go, 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 go. She went back down. Maybe because I've seen them go to the bottom and sit, and they revive. Like they'll sit there and relax. But if she goes upside down, there's.
I was gonna say that
She's not floating though.
I don't know how that killed her. Like she wasn't even that bad. Oh well. Okay. Well.
Not being down this. I've never been down this side of the river. There's some killer fishing all the way down. There it is. Giant. Is it a big one?
No, it came off.
No, it's on there.
He did it hard, didn't
He smoked it, dude. That's awesome. You're gonna get a bigger one down there. Hell yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Let me see. Turn this way.
Dude, heck yeah.
There's a
Right. We started getting on them rocks and stuff right there.
There you go.
You might have.
We got a hole. Let's do it. Yeah, knock a hole in there.